Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Greenlight account. So Greenlight is basically a debit card for kids app that helps families stay intact with the financial services. So if you'd like to log into this account, I'm going to show you how this is possible. For this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the Greenlight app on your mobile device and then open up the app. As you open up the app, you will see here a sign in button. So tap on the sign in button. As soon as you tap on the sign in button, you'll be able to see a space here that says enter your mobile or username. So in this section, you can either enter the mobile number that you had previously used in order to sign up to your account, or enter the username and then tap on the next button. Once you tap on the next button, what you also have to do is you have to first of all verify your mobile number, and then what you can do is enter the password that you had set for your account. And eventually, on tapping the sign in button, you'll be able to see that you'll have gotten logged into your own account. So this is basically how it works. I hope that with the help of this video, you'll be able to log into your own account, and if you do so, do let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you are reminded every single time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thanks a lot for watching, you guys. I'll see you around in the next video.